In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a portfolio in Coingecko. To get started, open Coingecko and logged into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top part of the screen and tap the Portfolio button. This will take you to the Portfolio page. From there, scroll down and click the Add Coins button. Search for the coins you want to include in your portfolio. You can find them by entering either the coin name or its symbol. When the search results appear, tap on the coins you would like to add. Continue selecting all the coins you want included in your portfolio. Once you have selected your coins, tap the Add button at the bottom of the screen. After you do that, your new portfolio will be created. If you'd like to include more coins, you can continue searching for additional coins and add them to your portfolio the same way. That's all there is to it. You have successfully created a portfolio in Coingecko and added your selected cryptocurrencies. You can now view your portfolio and keep track of the coins you've added from the portfolio section of the app. To quickly recap, open the Coingecko app and make sure you're logged in. Tap Portfolio from the bottom menu, then tap the plus button in the top right corner. Search for the coins you want to include, select them, and then tap Add at the bottom of the screen. Once that's done, your portfolio will be created, and you can continue adding more coins whenever you want. And that's how to create a portfolio in Coingecko. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.